Welcome back to SM Educate. Today we are going to learn an important chemistry topic, difference between organic and inorganic compounds. Students often get confused between these two types of compounds. But after this lecture, you will easily understand what organic compounds are, what inorganic compounds are, their properties and important differences between them. So let's begin. What are organic compounds? Organic compounds are compounds mainly made of carbon, hydrogen. They may also contain oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, or halogens. Examples: methane, ethanol, glucose, petrol, plastic. Organic compounds are mostly related to living organisms and carbon chemistry. What are inorganic compounds? Inorganic compounds are compounds that generally do not contain carbon-hydrogen bonds. Examples: sodium chloride, water, hydrochloric acid, calcium carbonate. Ammonia. These compounds are commonly found in minerals and non-living matter. Presence of carbon. Organic compounds usually contain carbon and hydrogen. Example: methane, CH4. Inorganic compounds usually do not contain carbon-hydrogen bonds. Example: NaCl. Important point: some carbon compounds are still inorganic. Examples: carbon dioxide, CO2. Carbon monoxide, CO. Carbonates. Bicarbonates. Organic compounds mostly contain covalent bonds. Example: CH4. Inorganic compounds mostly contain ionic bonds. Example: NaCl. Organic compounds usually have low melting points, low boiling points, because covalent bonds are weaker between molecules. Inorganic compounds generally have high melting points, high boiling points due to strong ionic forces. Organic compounds are usually insoluble in water, soluble in organic solvents. Example: petrol does not mix with water. Inorganic compounds are mostly soluble in water. Example: salt dissolves easily in water. Organic compounds are usually combustible. They burn easily. Example: petrol, methane, alcohol. Inorganic compounds generally do not burn easily. Organic compounds are usually poor conductors of electricity. Inorganic compounds conduct electricity in molten or aqueous form. Example: salt solution conducts electricity. Daily life examples: organic compounds in daily life: food, fuels, plastics, medicines, perfumes. Inorganic compounds in daily life: salt, water, metals, minerals. Quick revision. Let's quickly revise.
Organic compounds mainly contain carbon and hydrogen, mostly covalent, low melting points, combustible. Inorganic compounds usually lack C/H bonds, mostly ionic, high melting points, conduct electricity.
Hope you now clearly understand the difference between organic and inorganic compounds. If this lecture helped you, then like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe to SM Educate. See you in the next chemistry lecture.